YouTube channel. Today we are going to make slime. So let's start the unboxing. 5-in-1 Super Slime Factory. Uh-oh, how to open this? I think I need some help. Help me. It's really difficult. Thank you, Didi. Let's see what do we have in this box. We have 4 mixing bowls and 4 containers with lid on it. 6 color pots, and there is so much stuff in this box. I think I need someone's help. Yoo-hoo! Welcome, Didi. Now let's start. Uh-oh, I can read. First, we need to mix slime activator and a glue solution. And then we can make color slime, glitter slime, glue slime, and crunchy slime. And don't forget to ask for help from your parents. We have a couple of glue bottles and 6 different colors, so that we can make colorful slimes. And another couple of glue bottles. That makes total 4 glue bottles. And some more stuff in here. That's the slime activator. We have a couple of pipettes and ice cream sticks to mix everything together. Now everything is ready. Do it carefully. That's your 100 ml of warm water in the measuring beaker. Make sure that it is measured perfectly. Now, pour the warm water into the mixing bowl. And open the Borex powder bottle, which is our slime activator. And take 1 teaspoon of Borex powder, approximately 2 grams. And mix into the warm water. Now stir well so that the Borex powder completely dissolves into the water. When the Borex powder completely dissolves into the water, we need to make sure that it rests for at least 30 minutes. Now, what is the next step? We are going to make a glue solution. That's our 10 ml of glue in a measuring beaker. we need our colors. For the next step, we have 6 different colors. We need to add a spatula full of colors of our choice. Which color slime are we going to make? Tell me, which is your favorite color? It is the purple color. Yoo-hoo! We are going to make a purple slime. Now open the color pot. Now pour your favorite color in a glue solution. Yoo-hoo! It is so colorful. You can use wooden sticks to bring all the color out. Now we need to stir fast but carefully for at least 30 seconds. Stir it well so that the color completely dissolves into the solution. Now we will use pipettes to add our slime activator to the glue solution. Make sure to take a perfect measurement. We need to add exactly 8 ml of slime activator to the glue solution. You can take help of your parents whenever you need. That's it. We need to mix fast for at least 2 minutes. Mix it, mix it, mix it well. Mix it, mix it, mix it well. Mix it, mix it, mix it well. Yoo-hoo! Our slime is almost ready. Mix it faster. I can see the glue solution is changing its texture. But we need to make sure that we mix for at least 2 minutes really well. Fast, 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 faster. Mix it, mix it. It's almost ready. Did you give it to me? I want to mix it. Just wait for a minute. It will be ready soon. Only a few seconds to go. Here we go. Now you can mix it. Mix it well. Woo! It is really sticky, sticky and slimy, slimy. It is almost done. Is it ready? 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 Woo! Give it a nice stir. Let me check it. It is almost ready.